Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Right now doing Reef. Long time since we did Reef. Up 10.82%, 9.4%. It's going up and down. Doing good. We're gonna talk about it. It's breaking some important resistance, important to talk about. So we're gonna see what's actually happening there. That said, we got something called daily altcoins video where we do like 30 plus altcoins every single day. We will look what's going up, what's going down, what's good, what's not, what's pumping, what's done pumping, what's consolidating, you know, and stuff like that. We also rank them up, talk about technical analysis in general. And if you're interested in that, check out the Patreon link down below. Also check out the Telegram channel. We got Telegram channel, 3,100 members plus right now. Just got 3,000 yesterday, so we are quite excited about that milestone. That said, let's get in the charts and see what's actually happening with Reef. Reef is actually doing quite nice. Reef is doing very nice. And just to explain the lines over here, we have been going inside this triangle for a very long time now, and now we are actually looking that we are going to break out of the triangle. So once we start going up here, we start getting into the triangle. Here we had some kind of failure. We broke down when Bitcoin pushed everything down, and then nope, we're going still up. So that's the triangle. There are some important resistance to be broken. And number one was this at 39. We broke that nicely. We were keeping it and broken and keeping it. We got two failed. You can see here, I can explain to you something. Here we went down to the support, went up. We broke it, but we went right back above it. Here we broke it again, right back above it. So this was like 1, 2, 3 confirmation that this support is actually holding. That's why we are pumping today. We also have this 10 moving average. That's the white line that we are reason why we are pumping on it right now. So all in all, it looks very nice. It looks very nice that we are above this support line. We don't need the support line, so we can remove it. We are outside of this triangle, and we got some important resistance that we have to break on the upside. And now this one up here I've already drew, that's at 49, but there is also this one that we are trying to break right now at 45. So these two resistances on the upside are really important. That's this one and this one previously at 45. So we are still not out of the dump. There are still resistances on the way up, but the important thing is that we are right now breaking this triangle. We are breaking out of the triangle, and it's very important. So what we want to do actually today, we just want to close above the triangle. We don't want to close here. We want to close anywhere, doesn't matter where. We just want to close above this line up here. If you can close above this line up here, somewhere up in this area up here, is going to be super bullish for the next day, super bullish for the next day. Now unfortunately we are a little bit extended from the 10 moving average if we close all the way up here, so we might get some kind of sideways movement just so the moving averages can pick up the price. But right now it looks good. It's looking like it wants to break the 45 as well. We are sitting just barely above it. I don't know if you can see it. I can zoom in a little bit more. We are sitting just barely above it over here, so if that's gonna hold or not, it kind of depends, but it looks kind of nice. Like if we can manage to close above 45, this 456 line, that's gonna be the best case scenario for today. The good scenario is just closing outside of the triangle, but best case scenario is closing above 45. That said, you can see down here that we have this already gotten bullish cross down here. So yeah, so everything is going nice. The rubber band in there sitting where it's supposed to be sitting. So all in all, everything is looking nice, and then like even on the weekly chart frame it looks so good. So now on the weekly chart frame there are actually two resistances that are important. I did not see this before. One is over here. That's the one that actually might be actually the reason why we are actually stopping up there, because I don't think it's this one down here. So something like this. So this one at 50. What's this at? This is at 46. Yeah, so the one at 46 might also stop us going up. So we're gonna see, but I don't think this has much more power to push through the resistances right now, because it just too extended from the moving averages, and you have to have these moving averages close to the line to push through. So let's see how we are looking on the 4-hourly time frame. You can see on the 4-hourly time frame we are also extended from the moving averages on the 4-hourly time frame. You can see all the averages are sitting down below, especially these fast ones. are all the way down there. You want to have them right under the price, but right now we are all the way up here while they are down there. And so what has to happen, like the price, the moving average has to come up to the price, and we have to go kind of sideways and then hit the moving averages and then climb upwards, right? That has to happen. So we are not quite there. I think we are kind of extended a little bit. So we gotta have some kind of pullback or some kind of sideways movement. Sideways movements is the best, because when you go sideways, you don't lose the price. You don't lose the value. You just go sideways, then hit the prices, and then continue going up. That would be like the best case scenario right now on the 4-hourly time frame. Whether that's gonna be hit or not, it depends, but it looks very good. Let's go back in time and bring back the lines, and the target for this is actually around 0078. I don't know if you guys remember that, but it's basically the distance between the top and the bottom here of this triangle. Actually, it's not, maybe it's on the daily. I don't remember where I did that. Oh yeah, it's distance between these two, I think, but it's distance from somewhere around here when we're supposed to break out, I think, because it was looking like we were gonna break out here and then Bitcoin came down, right? So it was something like 75, 78, but right now we are more looking at something like 0.070. That's still good. That's no problem. That's still up like something like 50% from where we are now. But this isn't the final target. It's only the next target, and that's what we're doing here on Tech Analysis. We're only looking for the next target. So once this gets broken, we're gonna look for the next target. After that, we're gonna look for the next target, and so forth and so forth. Because it just doesn't make any sense to talk about some kind of crazy targets here at 102 or whatever. Because on this channel we are not actually hodlers. We are kind of traders. Swing traders, not day traders. Like we're trading, but like not every day, not every week, but like more long-term trading, you know. But we are definitely not hodling for an entire year. That said, we are looking at a lot of tech analysis and looking for next targets. The next target right now is 0.070, especially if this holds. But this has to hold. It can always go all the way back inside the triangle, and then all bets are off. Just like we saw yesterday on the BitTorrent. BitTorrent went up like 20% just to close in the red at the end of the day, and below one important resistance, and that kind of pushes the price right now sideways. So if this goes all the way down back down here, all bets are off. That said, it looks good. I don't think it's gonna do that, but you know, you always want confirmation, and you don't want to assume anything. But this is target. It looks good. The Reef is finally doing something again, besides going sideways. I think everybody's bored of Reef, because everybody got excited because it was going up so much, and then it started going sideways like a stable coin. But right now, I think people are gonna realize that this is gonna go to the moon. That said, subscribe to the channel if you wanna catch more Reef updates. Also check out the Patreon and Telegram link below. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Hit the like button for YouTube algorithm if you want to. You know, it doesn't really matter. But I appreciate that you're watching the channel, and that's the biggest support I can get. Like, because that's what actually pushing the YouTube algorithm to share this video and promote me and stuff like that. Thanks for that. See you around, guys. Bye bye.